Welcome to our channel. Activating your PNC credit card through the mobile app is convenient and only takes a few minutes. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download the PNC mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the PNC mobile app and sign in with your PNC online banking username and password. If you're a new user, you'll need to register for online banking first. Step 3. Navigate to the credit card section of the app. Look for an option like My Accounts or Credit Cards on the main menu. Step 4. Find your new PNC credit card in the list of accounts. It may show as inactive or pending activation. Step 5. Tap on the option to activate your card. This might be labeled Activate Card, Activate New Card, or something similar. Step 6. Enter your credit card number when prompted. This 16-digit number is located on the front of your PNC credit card. Step 7. Provide any additional verification information required, such as the card's expiration date or CVV code found on the back of the card. Step 8. Review the confirmation message that appears on your screen. Your PNC credit card is now activated and ready to use for purchases, both online and in-store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.